When you think of the structure of the organization, it's one of the things that you begin to look at is the policies and procedures and processes of the organization. You also look at the people, the strategy of the organization, and you look at the implementation, which ties to operations of the business. Not a lot of times that we also intentionally look at trust, but trust is part of the structure. It is the element that holds all of those other elements together. No matter how interesting your policy is, no matter how lovely your processes are, you still need to rely on people to make them work. And there are three things that I believe that you can start doing immediately to establish trust in your organization. The first one would be transparency. Number two would be the element of care. And the third one would be coherent. I want you to stop looking at trust just as an emotion. I want you to begin to look at it from a technical point of view. Trust is part of the structural element of the organization.